What's chillin', my villain? Cheers to you guys. Video not sponsored by NOS, but it is good. I had too many of these before this video. If you guys are watching, yes, I am wearing the same shirt because I am filming the same day. Kind of ironic because I'm in a warehouse full of clothes, but I refuse to change because I'm in a flow, and I don't want to get out of my flow. You know what I'm saying? Yo. Whoa, mixtape 2018. Okay, what's up, guys? All right, let's start this video off. We are, what, 2 or 3 videos into this commentary season. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single freaking like. And we talked about getting Phat Duong back in video, but Phat Duong, let me read this statement. Phat Duong states to, he wrote it on a skateboard, and it's a pretty cool skateboard. Like, it's a, okay. So Phat Duong says, like video. I'm gonna try to do his accent. It's kind of hard. You better like the video or I fuck you up. That does not sound like Phat Duong. He sounds like a mix between an Asian and an Indian. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try it again, okay? Oh my Michael, motherfucker. Okay, it sounds kind of like him now. I'm gonna fuck you so hard, motherfucker, everybody. Whoa, that almost sounds like Phat Duong's here. Slow your roll, Mike Win. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna read this in English now because I'm sweating like a hog. Phat Duong says, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bar. You must like a lot, he put a lot in caps, in order to get him to come back. Oh, here, disclaimer. Likes does not make us money. It is merely a way to show that you like the video, and sharing helps make the channel better. I read like a 3rd grader. But that's what Phat Duong says, so don't hate me. Don't kill the messenger. Okay, enough admin out of here. Let's talk about the first video. Have you guys ever been on a bus where the bus driver is driving a stick shift? Oh, like, not since the 70s. But this bus driver, so smart. I aspire. He's my goal. He is my inspiration to drive stick shift like this from now on. And if you're not driving like him, that's not. He's so elegant. Look at that. Just the shifting with the fingers and the... He must have a short shifter. I mean, he may have done a cob install like I did back in the day. Who knows? Ladies, this guy, if he can shift like this smooth, imagine what he can do. In the kitchen, of course. I mean, what are you talking about? All right, let's move on from Mr. Smooth Hands over here. Yeah, perfectly normal day. Just Sunday, going to church, ran out of gas, but hey, you gotta get there, right? So you hitch a ride, and this guy literally, and did you notice? He's waving his arm like, go around, man, go around. It's okay, just go around. It's cool, this guy's my bro, like, he's helping me out today. It's like you're that one friend with a truck and everyone calls you for help only when they need to move a fucking fridge. This is the guy right now. Next video. Oh, there's a snake. Okay, next video. You guys remember I told you these videos, these commentary videos are not, wow, my English is terrible. Some of these videos will not be car related, so just another preface of a warning to a glossary of a table of contents. Don't know why I use so many book terms there.
Just mini raccoons. What, the cat's going?
Oh! I don't really understand what... Maybe he's just super high. Pot is illegal now in California. Now, I'm not suggesting you guys do it. I'm just saying maybe he was on some sort of substance. Maybe he saw his favorite YouTuber feed a raccoon one day. Well, duh. What do you think's gonna happen? Feeding a freaking raccoon in the middle of the street. They look like bandits. They look like criminals. Okay, I didn't get my animal fix yet. So, let's see a really cute video of a dog popping balloons. Why? I have 2 dogs and I love them. And you can't hate on a dog video. Come on. Mike, why is this video even here? It's not a fail video. I don't know. I just thought it was cute to add it in. Random videos. You guys have seen guys who, like, you know, want those freaking fat ass lips on the rims so you can be flush as fuck. You want that lip riding on your fender because don't know why you want that. Besides, you can get probably like 1,000 or 2,000 likes based on this, you know. That's enough reason to do this modification. For honorable mention video, you get these 2 guys. And, you know, their technique seems kind of, we've seen type of videos like, anyways, just roll it. Oh shit, it's on fire! Okay, ends there? Nope. Continue rolling the video. And down it goes. you know, it made sense to, you know, light a tire on fire with flammable liquids on the grass up a hill so that way it could roll downhill into oncoming traffic and hurt people. It makes perfect sense. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Which one was your favorite video? Leave in the comments below. And if you guys have any other suggestions on videos you want me to review and talk about in commentaries, slide into my DMs at Smurfinwrx on IG. And I'm always on Snapchat if you guys want to talk to me on there. Just don't send me any dick pics, please. I should not have said that. Maybe I'll edit this out. If not, but always Monday, Wednesday, Friday, videos of commentaries every freaking week and vlogs randomly here and there. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I will talk to you guys next time. Peace! Face in the face. Imagine if I drank while doing commentaries alcohol. Wow, I would be obnoxious. When I say obnoxious, I mean, actually I'm a very calm drinker. I gotta get real mellow. Bye!